Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. So in this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can find the additional CSS setting in 2025 theme. Okay, and for example, let's use an example over here. So for example, on my home page, I want to use CSS to hide this section, this pricing section. I want to hide it because it's currently not ready, so I just want to hide it until it's ready, then I will show it to the visitors. So how can I access the additional CSS setting to do so? So first, let me edit page. I'm going to add a class name to this section first. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that I select this pricing section, and then I scroll down under the advanced, under additional CSS class. I'm going to give this section class name called pricing. So then I click save. Okay, now let's go to the CSS setting. So in order to access the CSS setting, you need to go to appearance, editor. So click on editor and then click on style. Once you click on the style page over here, click on this edit style. So once you click on the edit style, there is this three dot over here, more. Click on this more and click on this additional CSS. And now you can enter all the CSS script that you want for read to effect or affect your website. Okay, so you can see that now the pricing section is here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the CSS script. So make sure that it only apply to the pricing class. Okay, and the code is display colon none. Okay, so you can see that as soon as I type in this, the pricing section disappear. So if let's say I put in pricing 1, it will appear because this class name is not called pricing 1. Okay, it's called pricing. So let me take this one away and you can see that the pricing section disappear. So I click save, save, and now I'm going back to my website. Check out the website, and now I scroll down, the pricing section is hidden. Okay, so I hope that you find this tutorial useful. Now you know where to find the additional CSS setting for 2025 theme. Thank you.